Wondering how to use variables in Nim? Wonder no more, as in this video, we are going to cover basic variable usage in Nim. For the ones who don't have any programming experience, variables are used to store values that can be changed during program execution. Let's start by looking at the var statement. This statement is used to declare a new local or global variable. For example, var x, y declares variables x and y. Indentation can be used after the var keyword to list a whole section of variables, like in this example. Now, let's move on to constants. Constants are symbols that are bound to a value, and their value cannot be changed. The compiler must be able to evaluate the expression in a constant declaration at compile time. Like var, indentation can also be used after the const keyword to list a whole section of constants. Next up is the let statement. This statement works like the var statement, but the declared symbols are single assignment variables. After initialization, their value cannot change. The difference between let and const is that let introduces a variable that cannot be reassigned, whereas const means enforce compile time evaluation and put it into a data section. Finally, we have the assignment statement, which assigns a new value to a variable or a storage location. The assignment operator equals can be overloaded. You can declare multiple variables with a single assignment statement, and all the variables will have the same value. That's it for this video on variables in Nim. Thanks for watching, and hope I'll see you in the next video.